thought I'll try out this whole vlogging setup, see if you like it, see how this turns out. If I like the process, then I'll probably start doing it every day, or not every day, but like more often. I'll try to keep this photography related, as well as, you know, camping, hiking related as much as possible. But yeah, today it's another photo day. My friend recently reached out to me saying if she could use my bike to photograph a couple on, and I said yeah, of course. So I just got it started, got it washed, and it's ready to go. But between now and the time that the session is going down, I gotta go to Lowe's to pick up some wood because I gotta create a backdrop. The one I have is too small, so I'm gonna make a bigger one. Hopefully I could get everything I need today, start painting it tonight, and getting it ready for tomorrow, so I can start shooting and get all these products out to the customer. But yeah, but for right now, I'm taking you along with me throughout this whole day and see how this whole vlogging thing goes. Peace. Yeah. it wouldn't start, so I had to kick or bump start it, I guess you could say. Run and just like put it in gear. It worked. Looks sick.
Oh my gosh. All right.
Alright guys, that was a wrap. Ruby did awesome. This is Ruby.
Hi guys, I'm Ruby with Pixels and Prints. Julian is the best. He brought his bike out to help me on an awesome shoot that we just did. It's nighttime now, sun has gone down, but we got some awesome images.
Yep.
Thanks to him.
Oh, no.
Thanks to him.
She's amazing, so go over to her Instagram. And yeah, go check her out. Peace.